Yeah. Artificial. You know what the fuck it is. Yeah. But I'm the answer, AI ain't on him. The funny shit about it is I ain't even trying on him. And I ain't lying, I dropped the fire on him. Try and take what I got but won't make it out my pocket. You be spying on him. I spit ferocious until they notice. Every song he composes is atrocious. I serve it in heavy doses. I'm known to murder opponents. Remember, never chose this place. A few fists with your noses and turn these legends to posters. These motherfuckers is posers. I ain't stepping any closer. I would never pretend to be something I'm not for exposure. I keep my composure, holding down the crown till it's over. A Tiger Woods below par, cause what you spit's mediocre. So, tell me how is you gon' step to a giant? Cause you gon' need more than your slingshot to bring down Goliath. I studied the science and now I apply it. So be compliant before I get violent, cause whooping your ass will be nothing. Fourth quarter, I'm clutching, just fold your cards if you're bluffing. I'm in the lead and I'm running.